Hey folks, a little warm across the valley today. Temperatures right now 97 in Rio Grande City. Just checked up the road in Laredo, it's 101. 92 in McAllen, 92 in Edinburg, 80s every place else, including Port Isabel at 86 right now. And the winds still a little gusty. There you see a gust of 28 in Weslaco, 31 Port Isabel and Brownsville. So it's not only warm, but it's windy and it's kind of humid still. These are the dew points. And while it's dropped a little bit in Edinburg and Weslaco, still a lot of the valley has dew points in the 70s. So we'll put about 72 on the muggy meter, and that's up in the really, really humid category, where we will likely stay until our weak cool front gets here early in the day on Saturday. Tonight, temperatures no cooler than the mid to upper 70s across the valley. There's that big word humid showing up again. And then tomorrow, along with the humidity, it warms up 90 plus western 2/3 of the valley, 88 Brownsville, and about 81 at the island. The average high for the early part of May is 88. And we'll beat that tomorrow by a little, but not a lot, 89 to 90, and then 85 on Saturday, back to 88 degrees on Sunday. Look at the high resolution satellite. Shows lots of high clouds beginning to stream across the northern and western parts of the valley. Everybody else got to see at least some sunshine today. Zoom back just a little bit and you'll see these are coming right off some thunderstorms that have fired up in the mountains off to the west of the valley. Thunderstorm fires up. High level winds bring the tops of the thunderstorms over in our direction. So the thunderstorm itself staying over here, but the real high clouds get pushed over into the western part of the valley. Kind of a spring thing. It happens a lot this time of year. So tonight, clouds thicken up over the area, but tomorrow, I think it's just a mix of clouds and sunshine most of the day. It's tomorrow night that the models are now hinting that the rain gets a little bit farther east than what they were saying yesterday. By a little bit, we're talking Starr County. Notice the edge of it comes to about the western edge of Hidalgo County. In McAllen sitting here, there's Harlingen, there's Brownsville. So it's all west of most of the valley. This is 7 o'clock, and notice by 11 o'clock, it's still in about the same spot. Areas farther to the west in Mexico, Falcon Lake and westward, probably see a lot of rain. The far western part of the valley, Starr County, could pick up a shower, thunder shower. At this point, it looks like it'll stop before it gets into the rest of the valley. Then our front pushes in early in the morning on Saturday, brings slightly cooler temperatures and a slight chance for a couple of showers. But late out in the western part of the valley, that's your best chance tomorrow. Everybody else should be dry, and by Sunday, we all dry out again. Big storms up north today, but not much in Texas anymore. It's moving out, stuff firing up to the west. We're also watching some action to the west of Del Rio. Here are the temperatures, 96 in Del Rio. Laredo has cooled now, back to 99. See that little rain band right in there. Temperatures a little bit cooler right in that region. So for tonight across the valley, 76 for a low. Clouds moving in. That's already happening from west east across the area. It's a warm and humid night, south-southeasterly winds. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, especially in the afternoon. Clouds will be thick in the morning, but they'll thin out. Breezy and warm, and then tomorrow night, the chance for a thunderstorm in the western part of the valley. Here we go. The next 3 days, 90, 95, and then 88, 85 rather, 88. And then you look at next week, temperatures about 90 or so Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 89 and 89 degrees once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.